How to create a new account on Google Play Store. What's up everyone? Today we're going to look at how you can easily create a new account on Google Play Store. Let's get started. First thing that you want to do is head over to your Play Store. And there should be an account logged into your Play Store already. So if you want to create a new one, you can tap on the profile icon at the top right. And now if you tap on this drop down right here besides your profile, you will see all of your other profiles, and right below your other profiles you'll see an option to add another account. And from here Google will check your info and to see if you are able to create a new account or not. You will have to provide your biometrics. Now you see an option to create account, so just tap on it, and I'm going to choose for my personal use. You can enter your first name here, and last name is optional, but you can enter it if you want, and then tap on next. Here you will have to enter your birth information, so just enter your birthday, and once you do this you can select your gender and tap on next. So Google itself will suggest you a Gmail address, but you can create your own if you want. It has to be unique, so no one ever should have used your Google account, so you can make it unique, but I'm just going to choose the first one that Google has suggested me. And from here, you can just create a strong password, tap on next, and then you're good to go. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.